Hi team, you can watch this video if you want to hear the directions and questions read aloud. You can pause the video as you work to answer each question, then press play to hear the next question. Math, Wednesday, September 30th. Solve the following word problems. Draw a model to help you solve. We know that equal groups models and array models can help us represent groups with the number in each group. This can help us count up to find our total. Watch the video first. This is your lesson. Then read the questions and use your math brain to answer. Show your work on a piece of paper or your whiteboard. Read the word problem. Solve. Which multiplication equation accurately represents the situation? There are 6 vases. Each vase holds 4 flowers. How many flowers are there in total? You should be thinking blank times blank equals blank. My question asked me which multiplication equation out of my choices accurately represents this situation, meaning this word problem and this picture are going to perfectly match one of these number sentences. And we know that this means blank groups of blank equals the total. So I'm thinking how many groups times how many in each gives me what total? Which one of these tells me my groups times my amount in each? Solve. Type your equation and answer in the box. So you should be writing blank times blank equals blank in this box. You're writing the numbers. There are 3 groups. Each group has 2 dots. How many dots are there in total? You're going to write blank times blank equals blank. Solve. Type your equation and answer in the box. There are 7 plates. Each plate has 3 cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there in total? You're going to type in the box blank times blank equals blank. Read the word problem. Solve. Which multiplication equation accurately represents the situation? There are 8 groups. Each group has 3 dots. How many dots are there in total? Pick the multiplication equation that proves to us how many groups times how many in each. Solve. Type your equation and answer in the box. There are 4 books. Each book has 5 pages. How many pages are there in total? You're typing blank times blank equals blank. Which of the following equations and models accurately represents the word problem below? So scholars, this time we're finding the number sentence and the model that perfectly matches the situation. Miss Burney has 4 desks. Each desk holds 2 pencils. How many pencils does Miss Burney have? So out of these models, which one is it? Which one shows us her which one shows us her 4 desks? See how I came up here to remember the word problem? I'm thinking, which one shows me the 4 desks with the 2 pencils in each? And which number sentence perfectly matches that situation? Looking at these and choosing the one. Solve. Type your equation and answer in the box. Miss Batista has 4 baskets. Each basket has 1 apple. How many apples does Miss Batista have all together? You're going to type blank times blank equals blank. Which of the following equations and models accurately represents the word problem below? So we're looking at these models and number sentences, and we're thinking which one matches this number sentence. This word problem. Mrs. Burke has 2 cookie jars. Each cookie jar has 10 cookies. How many cookies does Mrs. Burke have in total? You're going to check on those pieces of information given to you in the word problem, and you're thinking which model and number sentence perfectly matches the word problem. Solve. Type your equation and answer in the box. Miss Minconi has 5 groups of desks. Each group has 3 desks. How many desks does Miss Minconi have in total? You're typing blank times blank equals blank. Solve. Type your equation and answer in the box. Ms. Hamblett is baking 6 pies. Each pie has 3 peaches inside. How many peaches did Miss Hamblett use in total? You're typing blank times blank equals blank. Make sure you're showing your work on a piece of paper or your whiteboard before you're typing your answers. When you're finished, you can click Submit. Don't forget to read the feedback on each answer because it's going to tell you why you were right or why you made a mistake, and it will explain it to you. Good luck!